Namaste and welcome to the 16th virtual native React Native and React Meetup. Uh, I hope you guys are all doing well. A very warm welcome to all the viewers on YouTube uh, and any other platform that are watching us right now all across the globe. I do hope that you guys are keeping safe and well in these challenging times that just don't seem to end. But it's a beautiful day outside. Winter is almost coming, and I'm pretty sure that good times are just on the brink, and it's going to get better. Uh, as an introduction, my name is Digvijay Vanchu, and I am the Assistant Manager of Marketing and Communications at GeekyAnts, and I will be your host for this event today. Uh, React and React Native has always been blessed by such a diverse and generous community that I predict that they won't let the momentum of these two technologies die anytime soon. And that is somewhat a part of what we are doing here today. So, without wasting any time, I think it's best that we get on with the show. And I would like to have Sankhadeep Roy join us. He is a software developer and the engineering manager at GeekyAnts. He's a die-hard Liverpool fan, and I think that's when we have him on the stream.
Hey,
Hi,
Digvijay.
how are you
Can you
doing?
hear? I'm good. Can you hear me?
I can hear you just fine.
Great. How are you? Good
I'm doing
morning.
well.
What's
I'm
early
doing well.
morning?
Oh yes, it's a
Uh,
brilliant morning today.
Same here. I got too much light here. I think it's messing with the lighting a bit, but
Yeah, I've
we've
got a
got to
window
live
right
with
in
it.
front of me. I've got a window right in front of me, and the sun is right there. So
Okay.
I think it's the blinds that are helping me a bit. Anyway, so as an
Nice. Yeah.
introduction, Sankadeep watches football a lot. He's a
Yes, I
die-hard
do.
Liverpool fan. The last time I heard from him, he was willing to trade his life for Liverpool to win the Premier League, but I think it's a little different now. So I'll
Yeah,
let
it
you tell
is.
him all about it. Sankadeep, do let our viewers know what we are doing here today. So I'll give the stage to you. All the best.
Sure. Thank you so much for the introduction, Digvijay. Like you said, I am Shankadeep. I am an engineering manager and front-end engineer here at GeekyAnts. It's good to be here. It's always great to be here in the React Native meetup, be it virtual or the physical ones that we have. But yeah, hello everyone. I hope all of you have a great time. I know I will have, because the lineup of speakers that we have today is absolutely great. So yeah, that's it. I think it will be great. So this, I think, is the 17th React Native meetup that we're having, and the second one that we're doing remote. The first one was a couple of months back. The first virtual one is what I mean. That went great. There were a couple of lovely talks. We had speakers from all around the world, not just Bangalore. So yeah, that went well. In this meetup, though, it's a bit different. We have got speakers from React and React Native both. So it's not just a React Native conference or a meetup, whatever you like to call it. But yeah, we have lovely talks ranging from a wide range, which include a CI/CD pipeline in React Native to bridging notifications, animations, and experiment with a brand new state management library. So yes, I am very excited. And we've also got a talk which explains how, if you are a React developer, how easy or how hard it is for you to move into React Native. So yeah, that's something which I think would be great for all of us. I am very excited, and I'm sure you are too. So yeah, before we move ahead, let me take a minute to talk about us, Geeky Ants, about what we do, who we are. So we like to call ourselves a product studio. By that I mean that we build products for both ourselves and our clients. We build great products. We have built products which are in all the domains that you can imagine, be it fintech, gaming, e-commerce, whatnot. So yes, we have done it all, and we work on React Native, which is no surprise really, and Angular, Vue, and Svelte, which is a kind of new, but it's very interesting. I like it a lot, and I guess all of you do as well. So basically, everything JavaScript and beyond. You also might have heard of some of our work in the React Native world, most notably Native Base, which is a UI library which has got lots of components which you can just pull and put it into your app, and then it eases the process where you do not have to build the UI components yourself. So that makes it easy, kills a lot of time that way. So that you can focus on the things that really matter. Not that UI design does not matter, but I'm just saying that it's easier if someone else takes care of it. Talking of which, we also have BuilderX, which is one step above native base. By that I mean you have a design tool, and there you can design your app, be it mobile or web, and then you just click a button and then it gives you the code for it. The entire UI is built for you. So that is a lifesaver. I am sure if you would like to try it out, if you haven't, that's definitely something you should try. Also, we are the ones behind Vue Native. That's basically a Vue wrapper over React Native. So if Vue is something that floats your boat, then I'm sure you would love to work with Vue Native. So yeah, that was about us. Coming back to this meetup, this being a remote meetup, this opens up a lot of opportunities for everyone, not just for speakers, for people like us who want to attend. So me being from Bangalore, and I have I've been to a lot of meetups in Bangalore, but there also have been instances in uh, Bangalore where I wanted to go to a meetup, but it was too far from my place, and the traffic of Bangalore is not something which we are all pleased about. But yeah, there's nothing we can do. Also, it might be that we want to go, and then it's raining. The rain is something that's stopping us, and there are lots of excuses, right? If you want to call it that. Also, the one which I give is that I'm just too lazy to wake up and turn up at an meet up all dressed up and stuff. So that is taken care of now, right? We can just wake up, turn on our phones, laptops, wherever we feel comfortable, and yes, we are here in the meetup. So yeah, that is great. But then, is a virtual meetup better than a real physical meetup? That I think is still up for debate, because there are some things in a real meetup. By real I mean a physical meetup is that you get to interact with the people, the speakers, even people who are not the speakers. You can talk to them and see, okay, this is what you did, this is what I am doing. So basically, a lot of like-minded people under one roof, so that makes it very interesting, and that's something which we miss. And the free pizza and coke, of course, so that's also something that's great to have. But yeah, that's something that we have to like do without for now. But then yeah, what is possible though is that now we can have speakers from all around the world. Speakers like we have Toby here, who's from Nigeria. So that opens up a lot of door for everyone, not just people in Bangalore, people from all around the world, people with different diversities, ethnicities. People can come in and be a speaker. We get to learn what they are doing, their culture. So that's something which helps a lot as well, I guess. So yeah, I think that should be it. I will have a lot of fun. I'll take a lot of things away from this meetup, and I hope you guys do too. So I'll ask Digvijay to come in and take it forward from here. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
That was absolutely brilliant, Shankadeep. I mean, I
Yeah.
agree with you on everything that you said. I mean, the virtual meetups open up so many possibilities for us as hosts and for all the people who are attending. I mean, we are
Yeah,
not
yeah. Not
bound
the free
by.
pizza though, but yeah.
Well, I know. I guess I miss a little bit of that too. But
Yes, we do.
but getting rid of all the geographical boundaries and having everybody from across the world who is an enthusiast for these two brilliant technologies all coming together for these meetups is such a brilliant feeling. It's such a great feeling to have. And yes, thank you so much for letting everybody know about who we are and what we do and what exactly we are doing here. So I am also just as excited as you are, and I am also hoping to take a lot of things away from this meetup.
Sure,
So
sure,
thank you very
Digvijay.
much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you very
everyone.
much.
Have a nice day. All the best to the speakers.